Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 27 power 5 plus 27 power 5 plus 27 power 5 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can take 27 power 5 as common. So what is left? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 27 power 5 times 3. 27, we know that it is a cube of 3. So 3 power 5 times 3 power 1. According to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power m n or a power n power m. So it becomes 3 power 15 times 3 power 1. Another exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So it becomes 3 power 15 plus 1, which is equals to 3 power 16. So our final answer is 3 power 16. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.